2 of having Tawny in our home. And my daughter's vacuuming the bird room right now, so I'm gonna have to talk a little louder than usual. So I gave Tawny some pellets this morning, and as you can see, she tried to check them out, but did not eat them. So I'm gonna take some of this quinoa and mixed veggies and put it in her bowl. And as you can see, she did not eat the pellets. She tried, looks like she checked it out. Usually you can see if they eat it because there will be crumbs all over the newspaper. I dumped a few out just so I don't waste them all. And I'm going to put this in with the pellets for right now and see if she'll try it that way. I'm just going to kind of mix it up. Typically, I have my fresh veggies in a separate bowl. We're just going to do a little experiment because I know she's hungry. So she just took, I hear you, Ruby. So she just took a piece of corn. Is that yummy? Let me give you some more to choose from. It's okay. There you go. Her main diet has been the typical parrot seed with a lot of sunflower seeds and peanuts. And so before I give that to her today, because I know that's what she's used to, so I will be giving her some of that. I wanted to see if she would be interested in the fruits, veggies / quinoa. I'm gonna give her, I tried giving her apples yesterday and she didn't want them because it's just too early. She's in a new environment and she's not used to all of the fresh foods, I don't think, because she was so picky. And a lot of times owners, they don't really offer it every day if they think their bird's not gonna eat it. Come over here. Come over here, Tawny. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this Trader Joe's organic coconut oil, and this is how much I put in her water, in Tawny's water, right here. So the bird room is warm, so once this warms up, it's going to melt into the water. And I'm going to be monitoring her to see if I see her drinking this or not. I've got this apple cider vinegar, the organic, and it has to say with the mother. This is very beneficial, but it does not taste good. So a lot of times if you put that in the bird's water, it has to be just a tiny little drop. It's still beneficial if you just give a tiny little drop, but if they are not going to drink their water because of it, you don't want that. But I'm doing the coconut oil because this is the step 1 of her natural therapy for Tawny and some of her health issues that she has. There's not anything specific of, say, that she was diagnosed with a disease. She has some respiratory breathing issues from when she was sick over 20 years ago, and they had said that her air sac does not work at full capacity. So sometimes I see her breathing a little heavier, her tail will go up and down, and I'll show you that all in future videos. But for right now, I'm gonna try this and we'll see how this goes. Coconut oil has amazing healing properties for yourself and for your animals. I have put it in guinea pig eyes. I've given it to my birds. I've put it in their eye for eye conjunctivitis, and it seriously is gone within days. If you give it to yourself, you can make this yourself, you know, with foods. This is actually, I'm using this raw, obviously. I'm not going to cook it and heat up any of the properties. The other thing you want to monitor with all of your birds and any new birds is their droppings. So here is her droppings for today. Very watery in consistency. Is that super yummy? Little snack? It'll be a while before we can get you to transition over to fresh fruits and veggies. Right now, she's not interested in any of it. No pellets or anything. Is that yummy? Hello.